right, so you're like, hey, Mr. Nethercott, what about finding volume but with two sets of numbers instead of three? As I said in the first video, yes, you can do it if you already have area. And area is you have area when you have the itty bitty 2. So whatever number I have, that's right. Here we go. Oh, that's 10, that's 16. Okay, so this is going to be 16, we'll call it m to the itty bitty 2. 16m to the itty bitty 2, and that means we got to bring together the length and the width together to give me that 16m to the itty bitty 2. So now we got to figure out what is my h. Daddy needs to put juice or soup cheese. Really? It's 15. All right, so I will put my h 15 over here. So what do I need to do? I have to multiply these numbers together. So if I go mom and dad's old way, here we go, 16 times 15, 6 times 5 is 30, carry my 3, and 5 times 1 plus 3 is 8, 0, dead guy. So put the x's in the i's. Woo! And then 1 times anything is that anything, and add it all up. There's a 0, 14, carry 240. 240, and oh yeah, I should have said m right there, because I have m to the itty bitty 2, and I have an m here, so my final answer should be 240m to the itty bitty 3. Now, that was using mom and dad's old way, and you're used to it, then, go ahead. Go right ahead. All right. I'll draw my, man, I'm getting, my hand wasn't working with me for a second. Took a wrong turn. Okay, so I'm going to put a 16 here, draw my box. 1 gets lane, 6 gets lane. See it? And then I'm going to cut this, and I'm going to put 1 gets lane, 5 gets lane. See it? Awesome. Corner, corner, down. Corner, 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 down. Corner, corner, down. There it is. 1 times anything is that anything. So I'm going to write 16 right there. And if I write 16 right there, that means who's on top? 0. All right, 5 times 6 is 30. Ooh, that was look, 3. All right, 5 times 1 is 5. And I'll put a 0 in red where you can see it clear as day. All right, and what time is it? If you tell me 12:30, I'm going to tell you no. I'm talking about my numbers, okay? I want to know, what does all this add up to be? Who has friends and who doesn't? All right, well, this 0's in the corner. It's in timeout. It doesn't have any friends, so it's just plain old 0. All right? 6 gets to play with 3, gets to play with 5. How much is all that? That is 14. Put down the 4, carry the 1. Now, if we did this strip right here, then that means this 1 has to go over here. 1 and 1 is 2. So, 240 m to the itty bitty 3. Now, if you got that, you're like, yay! All right, but there's that one step further thing that I'm trying to get people to see. If there's a beaker involved, then I'll go like this. I want to try to get all snazzy with my beaker. I'll put that as 300 here. Okay, so 300, and then 200, and 100. So, not bad. 100, 200, 300. Now I need to shade in, what do I think 240 would look like? Well, I know I'm going to have to go between 200 and 300, yes. And if I go directly in the middle of 2 and 300, that would be 250. But do I have that? No. So I need to go a little bit below half. All right. So I'll go like that. Okay, so did I do half? No, I did not. And that's what my 240 in a beaker would look like.